Hello, everyone. I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to another episode of What Makes This Design Great here at KBIS 2025. And I am here at Gatco's booth with Robert.
That's right.
And we're going to talk about some of the things that we've seen here. And what caught my attention immediately when we walked up are these amazing grab bars. And I think, a lot of people will, for me being a contractor, a lot of people ask me, do you think I should add grab bars? I'm aging. But they're hesitant because they're not very pretty.
Exactly.
So these are a great option for people. So let's talk about the idea behind these, how long they've been around, and we can talk a little bit about the company and go from there.
Absolutely. Well, thank you, Nadine. So, yeah, for 2025, we have 5 new grab bar collections. We've had a lot of success in this category with aging in place and senior care facilities and people wanting something that doesn't have that sort of sterile institutional look. They want something that they're proud of and it complements the style of their bathroom. So these are our 3 legacy collections that we've been doing for years, now available in matte white, but we've tried to build on that and have a more fuller offering, whether you want something more traditional and polished nickel or something very modern and contemporary. We try to have all the bases covered, and these are all available and stocked domestically.
That's great. And for me being a contractor, another very important piece of the puzzle is the quality.
Definitely.
Of course, nobody wants somebody calling them back in 6 months that it fell off or it broke or something. So holding on to these, I can feel like it is a very good quality piece.
Yep.
So
And if you were to pick it up, you would feel the quality is much higher than you would expect. It's also universally compatible with all the major fastener companies, ADA compliance, stainless steel, lifetime guarantee. So we put a lot of thought into the development and refine it over the course of months and months with our factories. We have a full-time design team, our headquarters in San Francisco, and the end result is something that we're all very proud of and we stand behind.
yeah, it's very quality. I can tell that. And then lastly, going back to this one here.
Yeah,
This is very similar to a design that a lot of people use for the hardware handles on their shower doors.
definitely.
So they can coordinate it.
Yep.
Even if the colors aren't the same, it's a good choice for them to pick there. But they're all amazing, and I
Yeah.
love it.
Another aesthetic that we see a lot with interior designers and more high-end homes is people want this sort of, I don't know, complementary, bespoke look where not everything is from the exact collection or the exact finish, and things that really complement each other and create a more rich environment. So you can pick a piece from here and pick a piece from there, and you kind of create this customized, cohesive look. And all these things will help you do that. Like you said, this will match a lot of shower hardware. You can mount it vertically or at a 45. And we have bath hardware that complements these collections as well.
So yeah, you have the durability that people want, and then also for interior designers or builders, the aesthetics that make it look nice.
Definitely.
So that's great. Well,
Yep.
thank you for showing us these.
Absolutely.
It's amazing. And stay tuned for the next episode.
Thank you.